crispy. I'm so crispy. I'm so crispy. I'm so crispy.
I'm so crispy. I'm so
Rolling na, madam. Welcome, ay, mali, wait. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng first and ever cooking show named Crispy's Kitchen. And today, since summer, naka-summer outfit ako, hindi ko siya masuot sa gagawa tayo ng donut. Little orbits type of donut. So, papakita ko na sa inyo yung mga ingredients prepared by my lovely assistants, Krizan and Diana. Shout out sa inyo. So, first is flour. 3 cups of flour ang kailangan. And then, dito naman, pinaghalo-halo ko na ang salt, baking powder, nutmeg, and that's all. Tapos, dito naman, sugar. Ilang cups din ng sugar? 2 cups ng sugar. And then here, for our wet ingredients, I prepared some melted butter, milk, and then we have some egg, and vanilla from Foster Clark's. Dahil ito daw ang pinakamasarap. Unahin na natin paghalo-halo ang mga dry ingredients. 3 cups of flour. Sisit muna natin siya. Sipin. Putek, nasa isang gilid. It's well sifted. Next is the salt with baking powder and nutmeg. And then next is the 2 cups of sugar. So that is it for our dry ingredients. Okay, next is our wet ingredients. Melted butter. Lagay na po natin ang ating milk. Ibubuhos lang, di ba? Okay. After this, lagay na po natin ang ating jitlog. Medyo small size ang ating itlog. Dito na lang. Bam! Ganda. At haluin natin gamit ang ating whiskey. Habang hinahalo, haluin mo din ang iyong sarili. Tapos, after this, let's mix it with our dry ingredients. Here. Yun lang, diba? And to make this episode exciting, we're gonna play a little game called Kiss, Marry, and Kill. Para medyo decente. Kiss na lang. Kasi we have young audience. Shout out to my young audience, 18 and below. Ibubuhos na po natin siya. Just mix it well. Ito ba? Yung pang... Come here. Check mo kung paano kayo nahalo. And drops of heaven. Vanilla. Oh! Okay na ba yun? Okay na ba yun? Okay. And mix it again using this kasi mahirap to. Naamoy ko na ang sarap ng ating donut. Yan. Tingnan nyo po ang consistency. Kailangan consistent. Look at that consistency. Dapat ho, ganyan. Or hindi. Ang mixture natin is kailangan ilagay sa piping chenilin. Pero since wala tayong piping chenilin, this is an IKEA plastic ziplock. IKEA sponsor. Charot. So, pinainitan natin ng pan. Butasan natin ang ating piping chenilin. And let's pipe it pabilog na parang donut. Ako nakakakaba.
Ayoko mamalik. Hindi, alam mo, sabihin mo na lang, churros na.
So, mag-swirl-swirl na ako dito. And we'll start the game Kiss, Marry, and Kill. My very good friend, Kris. Yay! Kay, siya yung
tatanong. And itago na lang natin sa pangalan ng John Castro. Siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng mga pangalan ng mga ito. Ang iba hindi ko kilala.
First, John Mayer,
Kay.
Coco Martin,
Kay.
Chris Pine,
Ang hahalikan ko si John Mayer. Tapos, si Coco Martin, patayin ko. Kasi sa probinsyano, hindi siya mamamatay-matay. So, ako na lang papatay sa kanya. And marry si Chris Pine. Next.
Channing Tatum,
Channing Tatum, next.
Michael Pangilinan,
Next.
and last but not least, Damian Marley.
Sino yun? Ikikiss ko si Michael Pangilinan. Tapos, ang imi-marry ko si Channing Tatum. Hot. Tapos yung na last, since hindi ko siya kilala, kill ko na lang siya. Pasensya. Next.
Sander Ford, Ricky Hale.
Okay.
Wow, hindi ko bagong-bago.
Siguro si Sander Ford papatayin ko. Si Enrique Hill, pakasalan ko. Si Wawi de Guzman, sige, kiss ko na lang si Wawi de Guzman. Bagong-bagong tao. Wawi D.
Zac Efron,
Nice.
Kevin Bacon,
Sino yun? Ang sarap.
and Marco Gumabaw.
Marco Gumabaw, kiss ko si Zac Efron, marry ko. Tapos
And
yung
Chris
bacon, si Bacon.
Yum.
Sarap pero kill ko siya. let's check the progress of our Lil Orbits donuts. See? Bilog na bilog. Lil Orbits na Lil Orbits.
Baka naging chicharon to.
Sabi nga nila, don't judge the book by its cover. Because, don't judge the book. Masarap siya, kaya wag niyo nang i-judge. Just follow the recipe na sinabi ko sa inyo, and then you'll get the Lil Orbits taste right inside your mouth. It's like heaven inside your mouth because of this recipe. Sarap. Sarap. Ako nga rin. Sobrang sarap. Ang lambot. Yun lang, masarap at malambot. Lasang-lasa mo. Lasang-lasa yung sugar, yung flour, yung nutmeg inside your mouth. It's like poppins with the cinnamon and the sugar.
Ano hindi ko gusto yung lasa yung flour sa minihian ko.
Willie Rebellion. Oh, Dad. Are you a fan? Piolo Pascual.
So, Willie Revillame, Piolo Pascual.
And Richard Gutierrez. Ano ba ito?
Wait. Ang papakasalan ko na lang si Willie Revillame. Tapos, ang ikikiss ko si Richard Gutierrez na lang. I'm sorry, Papa P, but I'll kill you. Ganda ka, girl.
Alex Pettifer.
Nice.
James Reed.
Nice.
Will Smith.
Okay. Ikikiss ko si Alex Pettifer. I'll marry James Reed, of course. As in yung last? Sorry, Will.
Oh, close.
Next time.
Sorry, Will.
Sorry, Will. Sa ano ka na lang. Pila ka na lang. And that's it for our game today, which is Kiss, Marry, and Kill. Then, lagay lang natin lahat ng ating nagawang donuts in this lalagyanan. Ay, nilalagyanan with cover. Kasi shake natin yung flavor. For our flavor, we have cinnamon and sugar. And then, cover it and then just shake it. Ready! Let's eat!
Or taste test ka muna. Taste test ka. Well, natikman ko na siya kanina. But then, let's taste it again.
Soft. It's not that dense. The donut, you can feel it right through your mouth when you're chewing. Perfect. Just the way it is. Okay, taste test again of my donuts. Special thanks to my friends, Yana and Krizan. Yan. And my one and only assistant, Yana. Hindi siya mambasura today. Hi, gando.
Walang nag-shake nito.
So, nakita niyo na kung ano yung mukha ni Yana. She's pretty and lovable. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Keep on demonstrating my love, my love, my love, my love. You love my lady lumps, my hump, my hump, my hump. My humps, they got you.